tandoori chicken in 5 minutes. We start with half a cup of creamy yogurt. Now comes the flavor bomb: chili, coriander, and of course, tandoori masala. A splash of olive oil, little garam masala for an extra warmth, and chaat masala to give that tangy kick. A twist of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget the ginger garlic paste. Now mix everything until it becomes a smooth marinade. Take 3 whole chicken legs and score them for better flavor. Drop the chicken in and coat it nicely with the marinade. Now let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Drizzle some olive oil in the pan. Drop the chicken one by one. It's time to sizzle. Cover it up and just like that, it's done. Place it beautifully on saffron rice. So this is how I made